How to make a bridesmaid corsage. Created with pearl beads and a silk flower, your bridesmaids can show off a homemade and cute accessory to go with their dresses. Steps. 1. Cut elastic thread into 22 cm, 220 mm strips. You will need 5 strips for each corsage. 2. Knot the end. Tie a knot in the end of your elastic thread. 3. Thread the beads. Thread the pearl beads onto the elastic thread in the order of your choice. 4. Tie another knot at the end. 5. Use a clasp ring to secure the knot. Use pliers to close the clasp over the knot. 6. Cut off the excess thread. 7. Repeat the steps. Continue threading and adding clasp rings to make 5 different beaded bracelets. 8. Hook all 5 bracelets onto a large silver jump ring. Use the pliers to close them off. 9. Secure the silk flower. Use a glue gun to put a large amount of glue onto the back on your silk flower before placing it on the center point of your bracelet. 10. Hold the flower in place until the glue dries. Things. Elastic thread. Large silk flower. Pliers. Pearl beads, in various sizes. Ruler. Silver clasps. Silver clasp rings. Glue gun. Large silver jump ring.